Here I am, my bare face. I just sprayed water on my forehead. Okay, rub that in. It's Prime Set Refresh. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Nicole here. Today I've got something a little bit different for you all. I'm going to be doing my daily makeup routine. This is just basically what you guys see on my face every single day. I thought it would be fun to film what I do, what I use, and share it with you guys today. I am by no means a makeup guru. For those of you guys who are already subscribed to my channel, as you know, I do mostly fashion content here, but I don't know, I felt inspired to do this video this morning, and so here we are. If you're new to my channel, my name is Nicole. I do a lot of, again, fashion and I guess a little bit of beauty content here on this channel. So if you guys like what you've seen so far, please consider subscribing and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. All right, you guys, let's just go ahead and get started. I just sprayed water on my forehead. Okay, rub that in. Yes, good. All right, first step is to prime my face. I just got this and it's okay, honestly. It's the NYX Bear With Me Prime Set Refresh 8-hour multitasking spray. It looks like this. I picked it up at Ulta. You have to hold it pretty close to your face because the spray on this isn't like very wide. Just pull my hair back so I don't get my hair, which I just washed this morning, and spray my face. Cool. The next thing is to put on my concealer and my foundation. So the concealer that I use, I'm almost out of it, is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in 30, which is honey. By the way, guys, my mirror is right here. So when I'm not looking at you and I'm looking over here, it's because I'm looking at my mirror. But hopefully my face stays in the frame. So I just get the kind of spots on my face where I feel like I get redness and dark circles, or redness and darkness, which is like under my eyes, around my nose, and then around my mouth. And then typically what I'll do is I'll actually just put my foundation on at the same time and blend it all together. My foundation is also Maybelline. It's the Dewy and Smooth Fit Me foundation, and it's in the color 240 Golden Beige. I'll just put it on the back of my hand like this, and then basically everywhere my concealer isn't is where my foundation goes. And then with the Beauty Blender, I'll go ahead and mix everything in. Today, for anyone that's curious, I'm going to film this video, obviously, and then I'm gonna film a Shein haul. So I don't know which one's gonna go up first, but if I haven't put up the Shein haul yet, subscribe. Okay, and then I'm gonna set. I have the Laura Mercier translucent powder that I think everyone's been using forever. I actually get mine in the mini size. I feel like the big one is too big. It takes me forever to get through it, and I feel like it's like, I don't know, it's expired by the time I'm done with it. So I found that I actually like to get this smaller one just because it doesn't last quite as long, which feels counterproductive, but I don't know. For me, I just feel like the big one lasts too long. I'll put it under my eyes first, not really baking, just kind of concentrating it in that area, and I'll let it sit there while I kind of go over the rest of my face. At the very end of that, 10 seconds, I'll wipe away the part that's under my eyes. Sometimes I'll actually set at this point as well. So again, that same NYX product, it's Prime Set Refresh. I'm gonna go ahead and do that today because I've just got a really long day ahead of me. Just so that the foundation of my makeup, I can feel confident that it's gonna stay. Cool. Okay, so now that I have set my foundation and my concealer, we're gonna go in with the face things. I usually start with bronzer. So I'm using this brush by Sephora. What is this? The Pro Contour 79. I love this brush, and I'm gonna use it with the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. This is 6676. I like to do the cheekbones and then kind of swirl it on the outer edges of my face too. Okay, then do the edges of my forehead. And then my chin. Yep, super subtle. I'm gonna do my nose too, or do like a contour on my nose, but I kind of wait to do that until the end and you guys will kind of see why. So next we're gonna go in with blush. I have two favorites that I kind of go back and forth between. The first is from MAC. I've had this actually for so long. It's called Peach Twist. And then the second one that I use on a regular basis is the Milani Rose de Oro. It's number 2 baked powder blush. I love this one too. It's a much lighter, kind of softer shade than this one. So it sort of just depends on how pigmented I want my blush to be that day. Today, I'm gonna go with the more natural look. Okay, so with this, lately I've been doing this thing where I do the cheeks like per usual, and then I actually like to kind of swipe it all the way along the center of my face. I've seen other beauty gurus do it. You just look younger. You look fresher. So after I've done the kind of sweeping of blush over my like nose area, that's when I'll go back in with the bronzer, and then I'll do a little bit of contour around the nose. I guess I just like to wait until after I've done the blush so that if I were to do this like before the blush, I don't know, I feel like it might just get lost or kind of like mixed around. So yeah, kind of do contour, blush, and then contour the nose last. Now I'm gonna move on to my eyes, starting with my eyebrows. So for my eyebrows, I use the Anastasia. This isn't the Brow Wiz, this is the Brow Definer. It's thicker. That's basically the only difference. And mine is in dark brown. And we'll just do the eyebrows. Sorry if I'm off camera for this. I just got to get close to the mirror to not F this up. They're sisters. They're not, how does it go? They're sisters. They're not twins. And that's how that goes. And then next up, I'm going to curl my lashes. Okay, so this is just a super standard e.l.f. eyelash curler. And then the mascara that I use right now, I feel like I switch up my mascaras a lot, but I really love Maybelline in general. They have good mascaras for, you know, reasonable prices. And mine right now that I'm using is the Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect in waterproof. That's the most important thing for me. For any mascara that I'm using, and again, I cycle through quite a few, the key is to make sure, for me at least in my lash, that it's waterproof. That's the only way my lashes will like stay curled. So if you're kind of struggling with finding a mascara that like actually keeps your lashes curled, try going the waterproof route and see what that does for you. Awesome. So after both of the top lashes are done, then I'll just go back in and do the bottom lashes. Sweet. Okay, very last thing, I'm gonna do a lipstick. Where's my favorite one? There it is. So my favorite lipstick right now is actually from Ulta. I picked this up on a whim. It's called, oh, is it literally called Matte? I don't know. It says Matte $249. So, let's use this way. So whatever that means, it looks like this. I'm almost out of it. And it's just a very like My Lips But Better shade, which is kind of my go-to. No liner or anything. I just kind of go in with it. Sweet. So that basically completes the look. I'm just gonna set the whole thing again, just to make sure everything's locked in. Woo! Let that sit. That's the other thing that's nice about this is that it dries super fast. I feel like it just sinks right in. Okay, guys, and that's it. This is the final makeup look for the day, and that was basically all of my daily makeup products. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm putting out new videos almost every single week. All right, you guys, I'll see you in my next one. Bye!